Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 virus and threat protection fix. Type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Check Safe Boot, click Apply, click OK. Open File Explorer. Click three dots, click Options, check Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. Program Data, Microsoft, click Windows Defender. Scans, History folder. Delete all folders except Cache Manager. Right-click Start button, click Run, type msconfig. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.